Hey, Assalamualaikum everyone. Oh man, the most craziest thing has already happened. Oh my goodness. You guys have been following me, right? I've been telling you that follow the channel, you may never see it again. Adam is gonna kill the zero, Adam is gonna pump the market, Adam is gonna do this, Adam is gonna do that. It wasn't just a talk. I meant it when I said that I'm gonna do all that thing. And I'm about to do it. Look what I'm doing right now, right? The chart is laid out in front of you, people, for you to see. I don't care from where you're seeing this right now. Maybe you're looking at this chart from Europe, you're looking at America, you're staying in the middle of the night for this update right now. Maybe it's morning in your place, so good morning. If maybe you're fasting, happy fasting, even I'm doing so. But the thing is that I'm about to push SHIB high to the moon one more time. I've already broken it. I've already broken the triangle, and I'm just retesting the triangle right now. So here it is. One touch here, move down. One touch right there, a move to the downside, and I finally made sure that, hey, you know what? Let's break it out. And boom, we've broken it out. We broke it up. We're coming down for the retest. We could actually stay down at 2763. And finally just push it up, and let's actually see where exactly am I going to be pushing SHIB to the upside. So here it is, okay, a nice, good, big, juicy pennant on the daily time frame. A push to the upside, a sideways movement. It's time we break it up and we actually push it up. And here is where I'm interested to take SHIB. You ready? Drum roll, please. Da 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 da. Here it is. 12,101, and this is where I kill the zero finally in 3 long damn years. I kill the zero. I'm gonna see you the next one. Allah Hafiz.